solve using the elimination method. 3x minus y equals 7, x plus y equals 1. Now when you use the elimination method, you look to see if the given equations have the same variable with opposite coefficient, which we can see that the y variable does, -1, +1. In that case, we simply add the two equations together. 3x plus x is 4x. Of course, the y's sum to 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. Divide both sides by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we know x is equal to 2. Now we substitute this into either of the equations. I will select the second equation. X plus y equals 1, so 2 plus y equals 1. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we find that y is equal to -1. So our solution then is the point 2, -1.